Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the 2.5% retinol cream by LilyAna Naturals. It's 1.7 ounces, and this is for people who are worried about Retin drying out facial skin. This is an advanced anti-aging formula that is designed for daily use, day and night, maximum prescription strength effectiveness without flaking, peeling, or drying skin. It's loaded with the best organic ingredients for your face, such as hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, green tea, shea butter, and jojoba oil. It's for both men and women. So both me and my husband use this. You see results. I found that hyperpigmentation that I have on my upper cheeks has lessened in the month that I've been using this. Like I said, this is 1.7 ounces, which is 48 grams. You can repair, improve, and restore your life back into your skin, revealing your absolute true beauty. So I wanted to try this because I'm in my mid-30s and I wanted something that would help with fine lines. It was natural. I don't really want to do Botox. I'm really not into that look. This has no oily residue. The cream quickly absorbs without a heavy or sticky feel. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and to use around your eye area, which helps with dark circles, which is great. And you can use on your hands, neck, and for firming with crepey skin, which is something that scares the crap out of me. I don't want crepey skin. It works great for blemish-prone areas. It won't clog pores, which means it's non-comedogenic. Cause breakouts, blackheads, pimples, or irritate. Helps for uneven skin tones. It'll help fade scars, dark spots, and even stretch marks. So this is kind of a cream that does it all. It has a light, pleasant smell. Nothing too strong. Nothing too flowery. I believe, it's made in Mississippi. The best results, you want to use it twice a day. Also, it's really important to use it with sunscreen because retinol increases your sensitivity to the sun. So you want to use this in combination with a facial sunscreen or something that's suitable for facial sunscreen. Like I said, it's organic aloe, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, vitamin E, B5, all sorts of fun stuff, wild geranium extract. And it's 71% organic and contains retinol at 2.5% per volume. So you just open it up like this, and so this is what it looks like on the skin, and it's just a nice textured moisturizing cream that I use on my face. You can see the texture. Just a great cream that I really enjoy using. Added it to my beauty arsenal. And like I said, you can actually use it on hands. I'll rub it in a little bit. So you can use it on hands for freckles and uneven skin tone. Great little product. Something I recommend for your beauty arsenal. Your skin, do it as a daily treatment and nightly treatment. You can use it in the morning, use it at night. Your daytime morning routine or your evening routine. And yeah, the LilyAna Naturals Retinol Cream, 1.7 ounces. Check it out. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks for watching.